Hi, I'm Rachel Allan. I'm a project manager at NQ Dry Tropics, which is a regional body up in Townsville. And we're really interested in looking at the issue of vehicle management, in particularly in our beaches, but not just the beaches, also the coastal zone. So the tidal wetlands that we have, which are Ramsar listed in some cases and of significance. So we have done a project where we've got a whole lot of stakeholders together who have role and responsibility for managing vehicles on the beach. So we're including local government, state government, including Queensland Transport, Queensland Police, Department of Environment and Resource Management, Queensland Parks and Wildlife Service, Sea Turtle Foundation, Bird Observers, Club, because all of these players have a role to play and have value to add in looking at the impacts of vehicles, which include both environmental and social and human use conflict and safety issues. So our approach has been to recognise that on a regional scale, on a local scale, we need to look at the issue. We need to identify the beaches in our region and the wetlands in our region that are of priority and are of significance, so we can target our resources. We identified 5 beaches, 5 areas, and then worked through a targeted campaign, if you like, which addressed both enforcement, planning, looking at infrastructure and signage, community awareness and engagement. So we've developed a raft of tools to go with that and are working as a committee across now, it's been 18 months, to try and look at the impacts and reduce the impacts of vehicles on the coast. The success or otherwise has been evaluated after the first year, and we are encouraged by being able to leverage funding off other organisations for the project. We have concluded that this is the only way in our region that it does work to collectively look at the issue. The primary driver though is a person who can push the issue, who can collaborate and bring these people together. So it does need funding to have an individual who will, if you like, push the cause and make sure that each of the organisations and agencies that get together bound by terms of reference, actually come to each of the meetings and implement their roles and their actions. So after some targeted monitoring of the vehicle use in these priority sites, we have used some infrared motion detection cameras, and we're using that data to actually target enforcement, which we are about to roll out over the next year.